Hey there, guys. Okay, so what we're doing today is showing how to use these empty oil bottles that you have. And we have these cool little spray tops that you can order. Have a little sprayer lid, that you can add and screw onto the bottle and make all kinds of different little sprays. Yes, Whitney girl, she came up with that. Because I didn't even think of that one. So that's one of the ways that you can use the empty oil bottles. And Whitney's gonna show a mouth spray that she makes. And so we're gonna get started with that.
Yeah, so I just ordered a bag of these little sprayers on Amazon for not very much. And then they fit right down into the bottle. You might have to trim it just a little bit. Just get a pair of scissors, trim the end of it so that it fits. And then for my mouth spray, what I like to do is put a little bit of the Thieves mouthwash, some of the silver.
Colloidal silver, that is great for immune support. So if you don't know much about it, message us and we can tell you about that.
It's tasteless, but you don't taste it. And then these 3 oils, the Peppermint Vitality, the Spearmint Vitality, and the Cinnamon Vitality, okay?
Yeah.
And then just put those in the bottle, an empty bottle, and then that's it.
Spray it.
And it tastes so good and refreshing for like if you have a coffee aftertaste or anything like that. It's awesome. I don't leave home without mine.
And do you do just 1 drop of each oil in the bottle?
I do more like 2 drops.
Okay. So whichever oils you want to put in there, really. But peppermint, spearmint, and cinnamon. Like if you like that, you may want more minty, or you may want a different type of flavor. You could even add orange. Orange is a good combination with Thieves. So you already have Thieves there. But that's it. That's how simple it is.
Yeah, that's it.